Welcome to Upcoming Future Car, the place where future rides meet innovation. Today, we are exploring a very unique and important vehicle, the 2026 Bajaj Qute Auto Rickshaw. It's compact, it's efficient, and it could change how millions of people move through crowded cities. Let's take a closer look at how this little machine is making a big impact. The Bajaj Qute is not your traditional auto rickshaw. It's a quadricycle, a lightweight four-wheeler that blends the size of an auto with the safety and comfort of a small car. And in 2026, Bajaj is taking it to a whole new level. This futuristic version of the Qute has been redesigned for smarter cities, greener transport, and more affordable mobility for all. The 2026 Qute features a modernized exterior, with improved aerodynamics and sharper lines. It now looks more refined, almost like a mini hatchback. The front end has compact LED headlights, a bold grille, and a more durable bumper perfect for India's diverse roads. Its compact size makes it easy to park and ideal for navigating through narrow lanes and dense traffic. It comes in vibrant colors that give it a fresh, energetic look. The Qute is now better protected too, with reinforced side panels and stronger roof support, improving passenger safety while still being lightweight. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Bajaj Qute is available in both petrol and CNG variants, making it perfect for fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It is powered by a 216 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering modest power but excellent mileage, over 35 km per liter in petrol and 43 km per kilogram in CNG. That's impressive. The top speed is around 70 km/h, which may not sound like much, but for city use, it's more than enough. It offers smooth gear shifts through a 5-speed manual transmission and a light clutch that's easy on the driver, even during long shifts. Bajaj has also introduced better sound insulation and reduced vibration in this new model, making it more comfortable for both driver and passengers. Inside the 2026 Qute, things have been made smarter and simpler. It comes with a redesigned dashboard, a small digital display, and utility storage spaces for the driver. There's seating for 4 people, including the driver, with improved cushioning and weather-resistant fabric. Bajaj has also made the cabin more user-friendly. It now includes USB charging ports, Bluetooth speakers, and even a basic air circulation system, which is a big plus in warmer regions. For commercial users like ride-share drivers or last-mile delivery services, this vehicle is now a smarter investment than ever. One of the biggest advantages of the Qute is its low carbon footprint. With CNG and petrol options, and a possible electric version in development, Bajaj is clearly thinking ahead. The Qute's lightweight design and efficient engine make it one of the cleanest options for urban transport. It's also affordable to maintain, with low service costs and long service intervals. Plus, the Qute meets international safety and emission standards, making it export-ready for over 40 countries. Whether it's being used for family transport, deliveries, or as a shared taxi, the Qute fits perfectly into the modern urban ecosystem. The 2026 Bajaj Qute may be small in size, but it represents something big: the future of sustainable, affordable, and efficient urban transportation. It's simple, smart, and ready to take on the challenges of growing cities. If you're looking